All right, this is case number 23-49161. This is 8720 Pembroke Avenue versus Monroe Jama. Property located at 8720 Pembroke. Looks like the parties already signed off on this, indicating that they had an agreement, and the court did sign entering the order. It having been submitted. Let's have your appearance nonetheless at this time. Plaintiff.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Isadad on behalf of the plaintiff.
Right, thank you. And for the defendant at this time.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Indra Pandyaraj, P84364, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Your Honor, just to be clarified, there's two defendants in this case. And after speaking with defense counsel, she's only representing one of the defendants. So there's still the issue of Miss Jada, Homa Jada. And so we have a conditional dismissal against him, but against her, I'm gonna be seeking a default judgment.
All right, so the other person looks like that's, Chromebeth Jetta. All right, in as much, is that person present today? Do I have Ms. Jetta on the Zoom? All right, in as much as that person has not appeared, the court will assign a judgment by default upon presentment, consistent with the terms of the complaint in this matter as updated, requiring that the conditions be complied with only before the 2nd of February or after that date a writ will issue, allowing for eviction from the property. You submitted an order, sir, to be signed and returned to you.
You know, Judge, I'm going to email that right now to your staff. I emailed one of them with the wrong date of February 1st. You said February 2nd. I'm changing that.
Thank you, sir.
And I'll submit that right now. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Good day to you, sir.
Yep.
All right, this is case number 23-49141. This is the Hamilton versus Justin Lett and other occupants of property at 40 Davenport, apartment 204. The court also calls the suffix 9145. That's Lafayette Park Place versus Eva Brown and other occupants of property at 1307 East Learned, number 304. The court calls the suffix 9153. That is Lafayette Park versus last name Soltanto, Soetanto. That's Astrolita Soltano, and occupants of property at 1457 East Learned, number 204. The court calls the suffix 9157. That is Lafayette Park Place versus Octavia Gathings and other occupants of property at 1423 East Learned, number 101. Counsel, your appearance regarding these matters, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman, P56548, on behalf of each of the plaintiffs, standing for the attorney of record, Lee Ravitz.
Thank you, sir. And do I have any attorney that represents any of the defendants regarding the matters that I've called? If you do, go ahead and enter your appearance right now if you're representing either of the persons that I've called.
Judge Robert Santiago, Michigan Legal Services, P57157. I know that Ms. Brown on the second case you called, ending 145, is present in the hearing, and if she would like to speak to an attorney, I would be more than happy to speak with her.
All right, very well. So that's the next step that we go through in regard to this matter. And let me just work through that, Mr. Santiago. Regarding, first of all, the Justin Lett regarding property on Davenport. If you're on this Zoom, please say something at this time. If you're on this Zoom, please say something.
Yeah.
Regarding the suffix 9145, that's Eva Brown. Ms. Brown, if you are on this Zoom, please say something at this time.
Yes, I am. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm currently on the Zoom.
Thank you, and good afternoon to you. And I do see you there, it was brought to our attention that, that you were here. So I want to know, have you had an opportunity to speak with the lawyer regarding the matter that you had before the court regarding your rights in this matter?
No, sir, I haven't spoke with a lawyer just yet. I haven't spoke with anyone.
All right, ma'am. All right, so what I'm going to do, Ms. Brown, is I'm going to give you an opportunity to talk with a lawyer who's available to speak with you right now. This is the first hearing on this matter, so I am going to set a subsequent date for you to return back to this court. And so I'm going to set that date on the 12th February of 2021, and I'm going to set it for 9 a.m. That's the time that you're going to come back regarding this matter.
Okay.
And so I'm going to give you someone to talk to now, and I'm going to send you to a breakout room with that person so you can talk privately. You understand?
Okay. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. Just hold one moment. Who's going to speak with Ms. Brown at this time?
I will, Judge. And if you could also include either Miss Angelica Scott or Maya Monsino, the U of M volunteer, in either one in the court, or I mean the breakout room, that would be great.
All right, very well, I will do so. I'm sending Monsino to breakout room 1 together with you, sir. And Ms. Brown, I'm sending you to breakout room number 1, and you should receive a notification about right now. You have it?
Your Honor, could you add me as well, please?
All right, yes, sir. Mr. Solomon, I'm sending you to breakout room 1. And Mr. Coleman, that particular matter is set for the 12th of February, together with the suffix 9141 is set for that same date and same time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And regarding the suffix 19, strike at 91353, is there anyone here, Sultanos, any person at East Learning 205? Say something if you're on this Zoom at this time. Do I have anyone at the address on East Learning number 101, Octavia Gaffins? And any occupants at that location? If you're on this Zoom, please say something at this time. All right. I do note that in the Gaffins matter, it looks like there is personal service. However, I will set it over nonetheless and give it the date of the 12th at 9:30 together with the other matters, and I'll revisit that matter at that time.
Your Honor, so the last two, the one ending in 9153 and 917, be scheduled for the 12th at 9, what time?
At 9:30 a.m.
Your Honor, I also have 3 matters. Well, no, I have 1 matter for Kevin Callahan, who had an emergency. It's not till 2:30. I can just come back on that one a little bit. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll see you at about that time. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Brady, how are you?
I'm doing okay, Your Honor. It's been a strange week.
Yeah. Well, you might as well put, a strange week, almost 2 weeks, with all of the last week stuff,
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're living in some interesting times, and then we have court.
Yes. And my condolences for
Thank you.
Judge Millender.
Yeah, that's been tough.
Been assigned to a
Yeah.
courtroom for the past few months, so yeah.
Yeah. Just that's a big one. So I see a Nicole Smoker, who is that you? Tell me who you are.
Yes.
Right, and what case are you on? What's the last three digits on your case?
Landlord, tenant, me and
I know
my
that.
husband.
Yeah, but what's the last three digits on your case number?
Oh, that I don't know.
You don't have your paperwork?
What's her name?
No, because I was just
All right.
coming back from the doctor.
Gotcha. So your name is Nicole Smoker, is that true?
Nicole Perkins.
Perkins is the last name? All
Yeah.
right. All right, I found the file. That's, let's see, let me, so I can call that right now. That is case number 20349186. This is William Global Enterprise LLC versus Nicole Perkins and Travis Smoker and occupants of property at 9101 Hayden Street.
I'm sorry.
Just stand tight, ma'am. The plaintiff in this matter is represented by Mr. Dyer, Mr. Levasseur, and they're not in the Zoom at this time because the case is set for about 20 minutes from now. All right, so Ms. Perkins, you continue to live at the property on Hayden Street, is that correct, ma'am? Ms. Perkins? Are you able to hear me, ma'am? I'm not hearing you.
Yeah, I
Ms.
can hear you.
Oh, all right. You have to respond when I ask you something. Okay. You live at the property on Hayden Street, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. All right. I'm going to, this is the first hearing on this case. Have you had a chance to talk with a lawyer that may be able to give you some advice regarding your rights and regarding ways that this case might be resolved, ma'am?
No.
All right. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Perkins, is I'm going to give you a lawyer to talk to today, and I'm going to set a new date on this matter for hearing. That new date is going to be the 12th of February 12th, and it's going to be at 9:30 a.m. February 12th, 9:30 a.m. So just hold tight for a moment. I'll take that date down and that time. And I'm going to give you somebody that can talk to you, a lawyer that can talk to you regarding this case. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Just hold on. Who's available to talk with Miss Perkins? And I believe that to indicate that her husband, Mr. Smoker, is also in the residence, and that's a part of the file in this matter. Who's available to talk?
Yes.
Okay. I'd be happy to, Your Honor.
All right. Attorney Braley is going to talk with you, ma'am. I'm going to put you in break number 2. You're going to see a prompter on your device that that directs you to go into room 2, and Ms. Braley is going to meet you there. All right. All right, this is case number 2034-9173. This is Elite Housing Professionals versus Robin Canty and other occupants of property at 17209 Indiana Street, the upper unit. Matters before the court on the filing of a complaint for non-payment of rent. This is the first hearing regarding this matter. The file reflects that the defendant, plaintiff, is represented by Mr. Mark Wasbury, whose P number is 51575. Do I have Robin Canty? Robin Canty, any person living at 17209 Indiana Street, the upper unit, please. If you're on the Zoom, please indicate your presence. All right, the matter was set on for 2:10 on today's date. It does appear that the defendant has not appeared, counsel or the plaintiff has not appeared likewise. Since it's the first hearing, the court is going to go ahead and set the matter on for its next action date. That is the 12th of February 2021. This matter be set on at 9:45 a.m. 9:45 a.m. is the new time. Mr. Lavasser, I called one of your cases early. The defendant was here, Ms. Eva Brown. No, Brown. This one, who it was.
The case you just gave me?
Yeah. Yes,
It's for 212.
regarding the suffix 9186, sir, the defendant, Mr. Cole Perkins, is present, and she's in a breakout room speaking with an attorney. I set a new date on this matter for the 12th of February 2021 at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Could I get the name of the attorney assisting?
That's Ms. Indra.
I'm sorry.
No, Mr. Santiago, who's?
It was Miss Braley. It was Hillary Braley, Judge.
Thank you. I'm getting it kind of twisted today. Thank you.
Okay.
Ms. Hillary Braley.
Okay, so December 12th at 9:30, Ms. Braley is assisting. I'm sorry, February 12th at 9:30, Ms. Braley is assisting.
Yes.
Okay,
Ms.
thank you,
Hillary.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
And I believe I have one other this afternoon.
Yes, sir. And that one is set for 2:30. So we'll come to that one at 2:30, waiting to
Okay.
see if someone's checking in on that.
Okay, I'm currently also in the East Point right now, so I will come back momentarily, Your Honor.
Well, I'll go ahead and set this over for your next date on this matter, the one that I gave you. It'll be at that same time,
Okay.
at 9:30, the 12th of February. If the defendant comes in, I will direct her to the assistance of a lawyer, but she'll be given that same date to come back, 12th.
Okay. All right, I will check in just a little bit, just to see if they did check in, so that I would know what attorney I should be working with.
Very well, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Wildberry, I did call your matter, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Judge.
Yes, sir.
You're on.
I called-
You're on. Find it.
And then allow the sound.
The
dismissal, but still.
So mute, keep it quiet, keep your sound down. All right, not you, Mr. Wasbury. So I called yours and.
Is that what I'm looking?
Revive.
What's the last four digits? What's the last four digits on yours, Mr. Wasbury?
9173, Your Honor.
And who's the defendant on that one?
That is Robin Canty.
173.
Just one moment, sir. The defendant was not here, and because she was not here, and this is the first hearing, I did set the matter over for the next date, and that's the 12th of February 2021 at 9:45 a.m. I noted that it was a matter that was not personal service, so went ahead and set the next action. Entertain a motion that he thought the defendant doesn't appear on that next action.
Thank you, Judge. I will see you on February 12th.
All right, thank you, sir. Good day to you.
You too.
Your Honor, this is Hillary Braley, P number 82889. I just came out of the breakout room with Ms. Perkins, and I wasn't sure if you wanted her to stick around while we wait for Mr. Dyer or Mr. Lavasser, or if she's okay to leave.
Mr. Lavasser was just here. I gave him the date and
Okay.
and I gave him Ms. Brady's name. And so if you have the date, ma'am, just come back on the 12th at the time I gave you. All right. I wish you well. Good day
Thank
to
you.
ma'am.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And good afternoon to you, Ms. Martin. You have something in front of you, ma'am?
Your Honor, I had a dismissal. I just wanted to make sure it got entered.
Let's check on that. What's the last four digits of that case?
Your Honor, it is 9708.
Just one moment. Let me check on that.
908.
Thank you, sir.
9708.
Seven 708 was that for now? You didn't do this morning?
Was that for this morning, Ms. Martin?
No, sir. I believe it was for this afternoon. If I may check, I'm sorry. I didn't log in on my iPad.
Yeah.
Let me double check that, sir. I have it at 210, sir.
What was what's the whole case number?
Yeah, let's have the whole case
20.
number now.
Oh, you know what? I wonder if I gave you the wrong case number, sir. No, it's 20-34-9708, Your Honor.
It must be the other phone.
It's Rivard versus Delonte Rose.
It was dismissed. It was a dismissal.
Yeah, and that was dismissed.
Okay, sir, we didn't receive that, so I just wanted to check in.
All right, excellent. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, counsel.
I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much, sir.
Absolutely. Always a pleasure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. What's your case number? All right.
All right, this is case number 23-49194. This is Heller Management LLC versus Desiree Furman regarding property located at 22413 Linden Street. The matter is before the court on the filing of a complaint for non-payment of rent. Your appearance for the plaintiff at this time, counsel.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman, P 56548. On behalf of the plaintiff, I am standing in for the attorney of record, Kevin Callahan.
Thank you, sir. And I did see Miss Furman trying to zoom in. Looked like we lost her as I started calling the case. There she is.
And she's back here.
All right, Miss Furman, are you able to hear me, ma'am? See, Ms. Furman is trying to connect.
Your Honor, this is Indra from Lakeshore Legal Aid. I will be representing Ms. Coleman for this case.
All right, thank you, counsel. All right, this is the first hearing regarding this matter. Ms. Indra, tell me what you wish to do regarding this case.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, this is a non-payment of rent case, and my client would be eligible for the eviction diversion program, which is called SERA now for this year. I have also talked to my brother counsel, who is representing the plaintiff. They are willing to participate in the program, so we have agreed to ask for an adjournment until we figure out the mechanics for the program.
All right, makes sense to you, Mr. Coleman?
That makes a lot of sense, Sharon. That's fine.
All right, so I'll send it over till the 16th. That's on a Tuesday. That works for you, Ms. Indra?
Yes, Your Honor, that works for me.
February 16th, 2021. That's going to be at 9:30 a.m. That's the next action date on this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and Ms. Furman, are you able to hear me at this time?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your attorney has asked for an adjournment and she's attempting to get some assistance to try and get this case resolved. So I'm setting it over for the 16th of February, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. That's the next time that you'll Zoom back in using the information that you already have. You understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. I wish you well, ma'am, and good day to you. All right,
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you, Judge. You and your staff have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow.
Good day to you.
Can I hang up?
Yeah, you're free to hang up. See you the
Okay,
next time.
thank you.
And Robert, to your question, yes, he did, but it didn't work well, did it?
I had your back, Fred. It would have been a throwdown on Zoom. I had your back.
I appreciate you, buddy. You guys have a great day.
All right, likewise, Mr. Coleman. All right, I have Mr. Travis. I see you trying to zoom in. I suppose your name is Travis. Are you hear me, sir?
Your Honor, this is Hillary Braley. I suspect that might be Travis Smoker.
Oh.
Yes. Hello. Oh.
Hi.
All right. Who do I have?
So, Your Honor, I think that would be Travis Smoker. He is also on the case with Nicole Perkins, that the person that I went into the breakout room with.
Yes. All right. Are you Travis Smoker?
Yes.
So are you using two devices, sir? Are you using two? Okay. So you have a number here with the last four numbers of 6654. Is that correct? Mr. Smoker?
Yes.
All right. So you're the young lady that you live with, or your wife. She's already been here indicating, and she spoke with a lawyer regarding this matter. Would you like to speak with someone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. So Ms. Brady, could you speak with Mr. Smoker on that matter?
Yes, I think that should be fine.
All right. So Mr. Smoker, I'm sending you to a room to speak with Ms. Hillary Braley. She's going to go over some of the legal issues in your case. And I'm sending you there to breakout room number 2. When you see the prompter, just hit the prompter and it'll put you there.
Okay. Thank you.
And Ms. Brady, you're able to go back.
Yes, yeah, I was just kind of waiting to see if Mr. Smoker was going back with his phone and his tablet, or what was happening.
Went back with the phone.
Yeah, I should be able to talk to him
He's
now.
over there.
Thank you.
All right, the court calls case number 2349190. That's Zincs Investment LLC versus Quincy Harris, and occupants of property at 1135, constructed 11385, Greenfield number 130. Matter set on for 2:30. Mr. Lavasser, Randy Lavasser is here under P number 41712. Is not in the Zoom at this time. Looks like Mr. Quincy Harris, an occupant of that property, is not in the Zoom. If you're on the Zoom, Mr. Harris, or any person at the Greenfield address 130, number 130, please say something at this time. All right, in as much as this is the first hearing in this matter, the court will set the matter over for a second hearing date under the administrative order. That date's going to be the 12th of February, 2021, and the time on that matter is going to be 9:45.
Judge, I don't mean to barge in. I apologize.
Yes, sir.
I've got afternoon, Judge. I've got simultaneous hearings in 2 other courtrooms right now. And for the life of me, I cannot figure out how to do simultaneous sessions on Zoom. My clerk said it's easy. Just click this button and do this. And it's not quite working out for me. So.
All right. And I don't know if I can help you with that.
Yeah, I'm looking, just looking at your courtroom, Judge, it looks like I've got 3 matters, one at 2:40, 2 at 2:50, and 1 at 3 o'clock. 2 of them are dismissals, mercifully, so there's only 2. But if you wouldn't mind, if it's possible, I can just hit the other 2 courtrooms and let them know the same, just because I don't want to be accidentally defaulted anywhere.
That's well. Your lack of presence on this, tell you a secret on these first hearing is not going to get you in any.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
We'll work through it. So let's do this right now. I have a total of, I think I have a total of 5 cases for you. Can you give me an indication of the ones that should be dismissed, sir?
Yes, no problem, Judge. And again, this is
just the last 3 digits of them.
Understood, Judge. I have a dismissal that was faxed over yesterday in the case ending in number 211 and a case ending in number 215.
Okay, and those 2 are in my packet here, so I'm pulling them out now. And I will note that that both of those matters are dismissed. Do you know who the dismissals were sent to, sir?
I do not, Judge. I apologize. They weren't sent. I wasn't copied on the email when they were sent. I'm assuming it was to your clerk, but I can't tell you for sure.
Yeah, see, I have someone new, and that's what I was getting at.
Gotcha.
We'll make sure that they're dismissed without prejudice.
Okay.
So I pulled those out. In relationship to 2349199 and 9203 and 9207. And 07 is Covington Terrace versus Nicole Seaman and at Covington, 405 Covington, in regard to the suffix 9203. That's 13600 LaSalle Boulevard versus Brandon Griffin. With regard to the suffix 9199, that's 13600 LaSalle Boulevard versus Jessica Cooper. Those matters are set at 2:40, 2:50, and 3 o'clock respectively. I don't have any of those persons in the Zoom right now. It's a little bit early, but enter your appearance, if you will, regarding these matters, sir.
Absolutely, Judge. Nicholas Lefevre, P62897, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff in each of those three matters.
Thank you, sir. Sir, if the defendant shows up on these matters, well, let me indicate either way these matters will be set over because of the nature of this first hearing. That date for the new hearing is going to be the 12th of February, and that hearing is going to be at 9:30 a.m. on each of these three matters. If the defendants appear, they will be directed to counsel who is available in the Zoom to give them advice or information regarding their file. And they will be given the date that I've given to you for their return date in the Zoom.
Understood, Judge. And just for the record, with respect to 199, we actually did submit a full package for EDP to MISTA on the 10th of December. That would be both the landlord and tenant side. MISTA got it as of the 10th, but the funding ran out in the first round before it could be processed. So I'm anticipating that'll come back the same way.
All right, and that one probably needs to be set on the 16th of February. We're setting those with EDP applications already afoot on the 16th. So I'll set that one over to the 16th.
Okay.
We'll set that at 9:30 a.m. on the 16th.
Wonderful. So 199 is at 216 at 9:30. The other two, which is ending in 207 and 203, is on the 12th of February at 9:30 a.m.
That's correct, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you. Good day to you.
Thank you. You as well.
And Mr. Lavasser, we did call your matter, and we did set it over for the 12th. And I believe no one called on that. No one appeared on that matter.
Yeah.
Just make sure. That is the suffix 9190, Links Investment versus Quincy Harris. Defendants did not appear, and given the nature of the first hearing, I did set it over for the 12th of February 2021 as the next action date in this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. And just for the record, Randy Lavasser, P41712, appearing on behalf of Excellency Invest LLC. I appreciate it very much. And Ms. Braley, in answer to your question, the answer is yes.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good day to you.
No problem, nephew. Oh, yeah, it's only Ricky Jackson. I know you didn't talk to me. I think someone else know. I see Ricky Jackson, I will turn you talk to. When you talk to Will Burke, she retired. So you're trying to go with your conviction. See, the system. Okay, you are. Let me see, hold on a second. 61.
All right, the court has called all of the matters with regard to the suffix 9207, Nicole Salmon, as defendant in that matter, has not appeared. That was set for 2:50. With regard to the suffix 9199, the court called that Jessica Cooper, an occupant at 13600 LaSalle, 600 B2. Has not appeared in this Zoom. Matter set for also set for 2:40 p.m. The suffix 9203, 13600 LaSalle Boulevard versus Brandon Griffin, and all occupants of the same of the premises at that location. 13640 LaSalle, 640-103. Mr. Brandon Griffin and any person at that premises did not appear on this Zoom. And for that reason, the court has simply adjourned the matters over, given that there is a first hearing, that this is the first hearing. Those matters are adjourned over 9203 and 9207 until the 12th of February 2016 at 9:30 a.m. The suffix 9199 is adjourned until 9:30 a.m. on February 16, 2021. It is so ordered. Are there any persons on the Zoom that have any other matters before the court that the court needs to address at this time? Please say so, absolutely. All right, well, it's been delightful having you here this afternoon. It's always my wish and desire that persons would come to court so that they may access the resources that are available. We had several people that did not appear. Perhaps they'll show up at the next action. All right, so thank you all. It's, for some of you, it's been all day with me. Thank you for your participation, and we will see you at the next opportunity.
Thanks, Judge. Have a great afternoon.
Good job.
Yes.
Bye, everybody.
Have a good
Bye.
one. Yes. Bye. Have a good weekend, because I probably won't see you tomorrow.
All right.
All right, Judge, I'm out.
Hello, Mr. Hork, are you still there?
Oh.